This is day 2 of our adventure at Walt Disney World. Today's gonna be a short day though, cause it's not many rides there to do. So I think today we're supposed to come back to the hotel and then for a while, and then later on we go to I guess we're gonna go to the food court.
When we come back.
Or NBA City.
ESPN Club. How you missing something?
Oh, ESPN Club right there. Isn't it?
That's Worldwide Sports.
Oh. It's freezing down here. It's cold.
Disney next, right? Kingdom House is over, right? We're gonna hit them Kingdom straight ahead.
Okay, the camera just got blurry. So the camera just got blurry.
Wow.
I don't know.
Royal Drive. So, a little further down.
So we going the right way, right? You good with directions, baby?
No.
Me, I ain't good with directions. You put me. Ask me anything about going anywhere, I can get you lost.
That's true.
You're not supposed to agree with me, baby.
That's what another Disney sign. I think there's a couple different ways to this park.
Oh yeah?
So, Disney arches.
The heat feel good.
With the All-Star Resorts is down here too. This one, if you say that the All-Star Resorts, we'd be staying down this way. We down for this. I can always see some type of park, right, baby? We down right there, baby.
Got here in less than 10 minutes. It's not that far away. We gotta show it on this card or what? Animal Kingdom. Woohoo! Animal Kingdom.
And roll down your window, baby.
Roll down mine?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you gotta show them that paper?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Have a nice day. Thank you. I see. The people work, Annie.
Oh, it's cold. Let me roll up this window.
It's all about the paper. Okay?
You gotta put it in your car, in the car, right?
Of course. Do it right here. All this parking regulations.
Shoot, as best as we thank you.
We have arrived.
prison for your inspiration. 7 minutes after the hour. Front page.
That's the first part we getting on Expedition Everest.
Ricky Smiley Morning Show. Thank you for that word. That's a good song, man. Never trust a man in the wheelchair if the shoe's dirty. I love it. I'm sorry, Pastor Haynes. Ricky Smiley Morning Show.
How would Ricky Smiley play gospel one moment and then he played this next? Well, he just played one of my steps next. Unbelievable, man.
You can park anywhere you want to park.
So you find an opening. I guess you gotta go all the way around. They preparing for like they know what I'm saying is that they know that this place can get really crazy. It's not like this place not even filled up.
A lot of people down here. You shouldn't have no problem finding nowhere to park.
I jumped on.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. I don't remember doing that though.
Taking this with you?
No. We'll need that one. We take the Animal Kingdom one though. There comes that book. Yeah. See? Okay. Yeah.
That's all we need out of here, right?
Yeah, there was a lot.
21.
She didn't lock that door yesterday.
I'm sorry. I did, yeah. And it wasn't even short. So
You still recording?
I can do a
I'm
short
still
one. I'll
recording.
You know.
We're here. I'm so excited. Yeah.
Poor Shannon. To me, it warmed up a little bit. Maybe because my body was just warm inside the car.
So we gotta get on this little tram thingy.
It's probably easy to.
Okay, it'll take us to the park.
Yeah.
That's good. That way we ain't gotta walk. Dad, they don't even do that at Six Flags. We gotta park the car and walk the rest of the way. Let's go down to these. Yeah.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram moves, and watch your children. Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Por su propia seguridad, permanezca Permanezca sentado, con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo, mientras que el tren esté en movimiento. Por favor, cuide a los niños. Gracias. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. You need children in the middle. Strollers empty and folded down. No double lap sitting unless you have a young child. Everyone look to the pavement. You are parked in the Unicorn parking lot 24 or 25. And this is my final boarding call. Final boarding call.
Alright, where? 24?
Unicorn. Unicorn.
Oh, the unicorn.
¿Qué área tú eras?
Carolina.
Pero no de Carolina.
Slow your bed, watch your step, 5 to a row. Children in the middle, children in the middle. Children in the middle. Strollers empty and folded down. And at this time, I'm going to ask if you have not crossed over the gray poles, no further boarding.